Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner with our math video today. Today we are going into PEMDAS specifically. This is in the property section of Anton in grade 4. But I've talked about this before, but I figured I'd do a new lesson on it and updating it and clarifying it as well. So let's go ahead and get into PEMDAS.
PEMDAS is a useful math rule that helps you to solve complex math problems in the correct order. PEMDAS stands for parenthesis, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
So sometimes the AI is good, sometimes the AI reader is not good. So PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now what this means is PEMDAS is the order in which you solve an equation when you have multiple orders of operation within the equation. You solve first parentheses, then exponents, then the combination of multiplication and division as they come in the equation, and then addition and subtraction, similar to multiplication and division's way.
The problem above includes multiplication and addition.
So this one's pretty a bit more simpler of one because the multiplication comes first anyway. You just solve it outright.
If we solve the problem starting with multiplication, the answer will be 18. However, if we solve the problem starting with addition, the answer will be 36.
So also to this, and this is kind of my tip with it, when you're looking at the order of operations, make sure that you've written PEMDAS down just to remind yourself, and so on and so forth.
In this example, you see how the solving order makes a difference. The correct answer for this problem is 18. Multiplication always comes before addition when solving a math problem with multiple operators. The best way to remember what to do first is by remembering PEMDAS. Multiplication and division stand before addition and subtraction.
And then we're going to do operators as well.
The symbols you use in math are called operators. Plus, minus, multiplied by, divided by.
And these represent the order of operation that you're using. So an operator is that symbol.
The example above includes parentheses. Parentheses must always be solved first, even though it is an addition equation.
So now this changes up the equation. It's telling us to solve it a different way. When we're looking at this, it's like solving the addition first, because we have to isolate what's in the parentheses and solve that first. 3 plus 6 being 9, and then 9 times 4.
What does the P in PEMDAS stand for?
Parentheses.
Parentheses.
What does the E in PEMDAS stand for?
Exponents, and that's the symbol for an exponent, or the operator. It's that little 2 that's above it, but that can be represented with any number above the number.
Exponents.
What does the M in PEMDAS stand for?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
What does the D in PEMDAS stand for?
Division.
Division.
What does the A in PEMDAS stand for?
Addition.
Addition.
What does the S in PEMDAS stand for?
Subtraction.
Subtraction.
Drag the words of the PEMDAS rule into the correct order.
Multiplication. Addition. Exponents. Multiplication. Subtraction.
So, like we've said before in this video, parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division together, depending on which one comes first when looking at it from left to right, and then you go on to addition and subtraction, depending on which one comes first, going left from right. Good job, everyone. So that is our PEMDAS lesson, going very much into detail with it. so that you guys know how to solve multiple steps equations and how to put the order of operation first and which one you solve first. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, thanking you guys for joining me, asking for help with the channel. Please, if you got this far, like and subscribe and share it with someone that might benefit from it as well. Thank you again and have a great rest of your day.